Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts in Canva so you can use your own unique typography in your designs. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the brand section located in the left sidebar of your Canva dashboard. This is where all your brand assets and customization options are stored, making it the perfect place to manage your fonts. Once you're in the brand section, click on the Brand Kit tab at the top. This tab gives you access to all your brand elements, including colors, logos, and of course, fonts. Now scroll down until you reach the fonts section. This is where all your currently saved fonts are displayed, and it's also where you'll be adding your new custom font. You'll notice a plus button in this section, so go ahead and click on it. This button opens up the options for adding new fonts to your collection. After clicking the plus button, a drop-down menu will appear with different options. Select Upload a font from this drop-down. This option allows you to bring in your own font files from your computer, giving you complete creative freedom beyond Canva's built-in font library. It's a powerful feature that lets you maintain brand consistency if you have specific fonts you use for your business or projects. Next, you'll see a button that says Choose Files. Click on it, and this will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to where you've saved your font file and select it. Keep in mind that Canva accepts specific font formats, including .otf, .ttf, or .wof files, so make sure your font is in one of these compatible formats before uploading. Once you've selected your font file, click Confirm and Upload to proceed. This finalizes your selection and starts the upload process. Now, you'll need to wait a moment for the upload to complete. Depending on the size of your font file and your internet connection, this usually takes just a few seconds. The system is processing your font and making it available across your entire Canva account. With your font successfully uploaded, it's time to use it in a design. Open a design by either clicking Create a Design to start something new, or open an existing project where you want to apply your custom font. Once you're in your design workspace, click on any text element you want to modify. At the top toolbar, you'll see the current font style that's being used. Click on it to open the font selection menu, then search for your newly uploaded font by name. It should now appear in your font list, ready to use. And that's it! You've successfully added a custom font to Canva and applied it to your design, giving you more creative control over your projects. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.